Finally, Friday, the big day, you test. In the book, they say 5 is the magic number. We've been doing 4 tests. This isn't necessarily the right thing, but it works for us. The reason it works for us is after a while, you get a lot of repetition. Bear in mind, there's 6 to 7 people that are taking notes. And we don't want people to be completely exhausted by the end of the day, because it's really important that we get to the end of the day and we're able to consolidate our learnings, take all these notes and put them all together and look for themes and look how they relate back to our sprint questions. And finally, we want to conduct a retro and commit to next steps. Now, by the end of the sprint, you'll have a really good idea of what you want to do. You might want to rebuild that prototype and do another sprint, which would be shorter, which could be 3 days, which is just focused on that prototype and bringing everybody in for the testing. It could be we're ready to go straight to development. Whatever works, you'll know by that endpoint. And then finally, as you can see, we've gone through a lot of activities. It's time for a beer. As a team, you've got through quite a lot. Now, as you can tell as well, it's a bit of an emotional roller coaster that week. It's your job, if you're facilitating, really to be on the ball and move people along and have that energy to get people through that week. You'll notice on Wednesday is a big dip, because at that point everyone's coming together and sometimes they can't decide. And again, on Friday, when it comes to testing, it's really important you keep people moving. On Friday, we get people to conduct user testing. Usually they've never done user testing before, so it's a really good opportunity for them to speak to the customers.